Hello, good morning everyone. In this entire tutorial, we are going to discussing about this syllabus. Coming to first topic, installation and basics. We are already done installation process, how to install MySQL workbench and up and running. Next topic is MySQL commands. After that, operators and clauses, and then next topic is numeric functions and character functions. After that, joins, group by having clause, subqueries, views, temporary table, indexes, stored procedures, and finally we can discussing about the few interview questions and answers. As a part of first topic, we are already done with the basic installation steps and up and running process of MySQL workbench. After that, we can discuss about the basic things, what is database and the table, and what is SQL and MySQL. This basic information we can discussing about in this tutorial. Here, what is database? Database is nothing but database is a container where we can store, organize and manage the data. It means, if simply think about, it is a container. Just think about, it is a container. Database is a container where we can store, just give a color text to white. Where we can store, organize and manage the data. We can store the data in the table format and organize in sequence manner. That is the meaning of database. uh, After that, what is table? Here is, we can consider the table look like this. The data also stored in this way only. Table is the collection of rows here. These are the rows and columns. Table is a collection of rows and columns. Table is a collection of rows and columns. Here in the columns, we are store headings of the table. Rows means, for example, we can consider one student table contains ID, name, date of joining and section. In these columns, we can make it as a headings, and rows we can store the actual values of the student ID, one first student, name and section. Like this way we can store the actual information in the rows. Columns we can make it as a we can also call it as attributes of the table. Then next, what is SQL? SQL stands for structured query language. SQL is a language which is used to interact with the database. SQL purpose, what is the SQL purpose here? It is interact and connect to database based on your requirement, insert the data, create the data, fetch the data. All these we can call just CRUD operations: create, remove, update and delete. Everything we can do operations by using SQL language. Then what is MySQL? Here MySQL, in the last session we installed this MySQL workbench. By using this MySQL workbench, we are connecting to database and doing the operations, all these CRUD operations by using SQL language. It's a relational database management system software which is uses SQL to connect with the database to do all these CRUD operations. Got my point? Here, simply think first definition: by doing all these operations, we by using the database. What now you can think and visualize. Database is a container now. It will host all the data, means store all the data in organized way and manage the data. Got my point? But the table contains rows and columns, and this is to create this table we use SQL, and MySQL is the relational database management system to do all these operations. Got my point? From next class we can discussing about the MySQL commands. What are the MySQL commands we have, and one by one we can discuss in the next class. It will take around 2 to 3 classes, means 15 minutes or 20 minutes classes. We can complete all these MySQL commands, then go to operators and clauses and enumerate functions. One by one we can discuss in the later classes. Thank you very much. If you have any doubts, can you please comment in the below section. We will answer as soon as possible. Thank you. Have a good day.